Hi everyone. Welcome once again to How to Pass Your Driving Test. Let's dive into some theory test questions that are likely to come up. This one can be a bit tricky. It's a situation that could come up while driving on a motorway. As most learner drivers haven't driven on motorways very often, then it's not going to be a situation that you have actually experienced. So, let's get on with it. We will cover a few important motorway-related questions in this tutorial, so if that's the segment you are slipping up on, then stick around. So you are driving along the road and being overtaken by a long lorry. It's likely to take a while to pass you, especially if it's fully loaded. What are you going to do about it? Let's explore some options. Speed up, change direction, park up safely and have a Kit Kat, or slow down.
Did you choose the Kit Kat answer? Keep one eye open, buddy. I'll be around tonight to have a chat.
Let's hope you know this one. Yes, it's slow down. By slowing down slightly, you assist the lorry in passing you more efficiently. Let's jump straight into the next one. You are on a smart motorway. What does it mean when you see this speed limit sign above the hard shoulder? You can park on the hard shoulder if you feel tired. You should travel in this lane. The hard shoulder can be used as a running lane. You can pull up in this lane to answer a mobile phone. The only safe place to stop on a motorway, unless it's an emergency, is at a designated services. So that rules out two of the possible answers. You wouldn't normally travel in the hard shoulder, but the clue here in the question is that it is a smart motorway.
It's certainly smarter than you, if you think it's the place for a nap or a chat on the phone.
So that brings us to the correct answer being, the hard shoulder can be used as a running lane. Well done. Let's now move to our final motorway question for this tutorial. How would you rejoin the motorway after a breakdown on the hard shoulder? Would you wait until a vehicle in the left-hand lane signals to you that it's safe to rejoin? Keep your hazard lights flashing until you have safely rejoined the carriageway. Move straight out into the left-hand lane, as you are not allowed to drive on the hard shoulder. Build up speed on the hard shoulder before looking for a safe gap in the traffic. Here, it's all about building up speed. As the traffic already on the motorway will be travelling quickly, you need to gather speed in order to create a safe gap between yourself and approaching vehicles. You should do this by driving along the hard shoulder while checking for a safe gap. That's it for now, everyone. Don't forget to subscribe and check in again for more tips and advice on how to pass your driving test.